Hey, it's Phil, Pulse Outdoors. Me and Matthew just got settled in a blind. It's Christmas Eve. It's raining like crazy outside. We're hunting over a huge cut cornfield. Been seeing quite a few deer out here. So
I got my muzzle loader and Luke's got his bow. We're gonna try and take whatever comes in. There's deer right there. 2 of them coming out. Look like does. Get her? I don't know. No. Well, we just got the deer at it's about 4:45. Shot her about 4:25, I'd say. We aren't staying long at all. It's raining pretty hard. We don't want to get the camera wet. Put a good hit on her, right through the shoulders. She was broadside about 125 yards, and she didn't run hardly anywhere. We had a good hunt today.